this video, we will solve the question 3 by 6 minus 4 by 10. So firstly, we have to find the LCM of the denominator 6 and 10. So the LCM of the denominator 6 and 10 is 30. Then in the place of denominator, we will write the LCM of their 30. 30 divided by 6 equal to 5 and 5 into 3 equal to 15. Then the sign of minus. 30 divided by 10 equal to 3 and 4 into 3 equal to 12. And then we have to minus 12 from 15, which result in 3 and 30. So our answer is 10. I hope you find it helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video.